Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the damaged bumper clip and confirming its type, because the removal method changes how you proceed. Use a trim tool or flathead to pry around the clip head. Once done, apply steady pressure and twist with pliers if it's stubborn. You want minimal force to avoid cracking the fascia, so make small, controlled movements. After the clip is out, clean the hole and compare the replacement against the old clip to ensure correct size and fit before moving forward. Once you have the correct clip, align the bumper edge and the panel hole. This ensures the stem goes in straight. Insert the clip stem while holding the panel tight. If the clip has a central pin, press until you hear the click indicating engagement. For threaded clips or screws, make a few hand turns first, then snug with a screwdriver. Over-tightening can strip plastic. Make sure the clip head sits flush. If it doesn't, remove and retry to avoid long-term vibration issues. You finish by testing the repair. Press the panel together and gently pull to confirm the clip holds. Once done, inspect for even gaps along the bumper seam. If movement exists, make sure the clip fully seated. Otherwise, try a larger diameter clip or a backing plate designed for reamed holes. When larger clips aren't enough, use a plastic repair kit or epoxy as a structural backup. If things go wrong, replace the clip and redo the seating. Don't force mismatched parts into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.